Very odd. All right. Back to it. Break 7016. This is pack number 3 of the first box. Joey B. Back it up. Joey B. And To'oto on the red, white, and blue. McFadden, Zach Ertz on the refractor. Ashton Genty on the power players refractor for the Raiders, and Mbuka on the rookie.
Mbuka. Ashton Genty right there. On the power players.
Jalen Ramsey, Roquan Smith, and Jonathan Gernard on the shimmer. Pack number 5. Ooh, ooh. They gave us 5 cards in here. That's because they are sneaking in that little green, that teal wave. So we'll sweat that numbered card. We'll sweat the numbered card. Make it an auto, baby. Make it an auto. And only 3 in this pack. What? Oh. All right. Travis Etienne, Josh Downs, Brock Bowers refractor all chrome for the Raiders. Brock Bowers, great looking card. All right. Coker, Jackson Dart, Giants, where are you at? That is JD6 on the Ray Wave from the back. DJ Moore no longer on the Chicago Bears. Football leather, and we got Gunnar Helm for the Titans. For the Panthers, not a rook, Tommy Tremble, first on print of 199 for Tommy Tremble and the Carolina Panthers.
We'll take that, baby.
Oh, man.
That's
That card is straight.
It's a nice JD5.
Stacy, right? I got to tell you, that is straight, Stacy. On the Ray Wave.
He's going to have himself a year, Stacy. I'm telling you.
Stay healthy. Hopefully the coaches don't send them,
Down the sideline.
running the ball with no blockers in front of them. Hopefully that doesn't happen again. All right. Let's keep those hits coming, guys. Let's keep those hits coming. Johnson, Rashad Bateman, Mbuka for the Bucks on the Fortune 15, and Cam Dicker on the football leather. Those are refractors. Football leather, refractor. Another numbered card? Another one? What are they doing to us? What are they doing to us?
That's what I'm talking about. Boys and girls, let's go.
Making an auto. All right, Micah Parsons. Josh Allen on the base. Ray Wave for Brian Robinson Jr. and Calvin Banks on the rookie. Rammies. We got to see Matt Stafford right there. C.J. Stroud for the Chargers. Justin Herbert on the throwback for the Chargers, and Brian Robinson Jr. on the red, white, and blue. Mason Smith, Fuaga, Harrison Buckner on the refractor for the Chiefs, and Tate Ratledge on the rookie. 2 more packs, and then we get to that numbered card. Then we get to it. Jonathan Sweat, A.J. Terrell, Cole Kmet, refractor, Chicago Bears, and Jack Back, rookie refractor for the Raiders. Bryce Young, Brian O'Neill on the Ray Wave. Oh, come on. Rookie for the Browns. Dylan Sampson on the red, white, and blue refractor. Rookie for the Browns. Nice hit. Kevin Winston on the rook. All right. It's going to be a light blue or teal, whatever they call it. Braylon Allen on the shimmer, Vita Vey. Here you go. It's for the pack. It's for the pack.
Give us golden.
It's a rookie for the Packers.
Damn.
It's an
Oh.
auto rookie, Matthew Golden, 3 on print to 299, perfectly centered.
We'll take that,
Matthew
baby.
Golden auto. Box number 2. Sorry, Jack. You got to move over now. That's what happens. You don't throw any ink on that card, you don't get center stage. That's right.
Steven said yes.
Yes.
Nice hit, Steven.
Dude, see, I mean, a lot of these teams, what were they? $10, $15? A lot of the teams, honestly. You're getting hits. You're definitely getting hits.
That's good.
All right, let's go. Box number 3 and 4. Box 3 and 4. Yeah. If you see a numbered card in these blasters, you got a legit shot that it's an auto. It's kind of like a 50-50 shot. It's legit. Pick the box with the Texans. I like it, dude. I like it. Let's get some Texans for you. Okay. All right. Box number 3.
Good, baby. Let's get us another auto.
I saw it. I saw it. Mike Evans. Mulata. On the Ray Wave for the Packers, Romeo Dubes. And for the G-Men, on the rookie, Cam Scattlebow.
Cam Scat Pack, baby.
On the rookie base. All right. Tillman, Marvin Mims, Legends, Terrell Owens on the Legend of the Gridiron, and Tyler Booker. Tyler Booker on the red, white, and blue. Take it. Thank you for the repost, guys. We will run this back. If you guys want to run it back, stick around. Immediately after this break, we'll load it right back up. Bryce Young on the Future Stars, and Jaden Higgins on the rookie. So the Bryce Young Future Stars, that is a refractor, and the Bryce Young base, that's also a refractor. That's 2 nice little hits
That's a bad.
on a year 3 QB. Oh, Rams, come on. Show me my Stafford. 2-2, Kahil Shakir, Tristan Wirfs, and on the shimmer, Fred Warner for the Niners on the shimmer. All right, Kittle, Danny Dimes, Mac Hollins for the Patriots, going to Stacy. Mac Hollins on the Ray Wave, and a Jalen Walker on the base rook. We got... No. Thought it was gold. I thought it was gold. Hufanga. Nico Collins on the power player. Not a refractor. And a Sam Laporta refractor. Football's leather refractor. For the Lions. Hey, Carolina, welcome in. All right, McFadden. Davis, Mason Smith for the Jags on the refractor, and Abdul Carter, that is a rookie refractor for the Giants.
We'll take that.
Hunter Henry, Ramondre Stevenson, upside down, Pat Surtain on the Future Stars, and a Jared Goff on the football leather. Jared Goff, football leather refractor. Let's keep it rolling. Keep it rolling. Kristen Wirfs, Paris Johnson for the Brownies, Cedric Tillman on the refractor for the Browns, Siobhan Ravel on the rookie refractor for the boys. McBride, Hufanga, Ray Wave, rookie for the Seahawks, Nick Amon-Wari, there you go, Noni. And DJ Giddens on the base.
That's good, baby.
Aiden Hutch, David Montgomery. That is Jerry Rice on the Legends of the Gridiron. Jerry Rice. And red, white, and blue, Cortland Sutton. Decent hit. Cortland Sutton on the red, white, and blue for the Broncos. 3 more packs. Let's see like another. These are all like, yeah, let's see a case hit. That's what we need. Case hit. Let's just get straight to it. Straight to it. Will Richard. 2-2 Atwell. Refractor. Go get Matt Stafford. Go get Matt Stafford for us. 2 packs and 2 boxes, guys. Debo, DJ Moore base, and Quinn Ewers on the shimmer. Quinn Ewers on the shimmer refractor for the Finns. T. Higgins, Sam Laporta, Devin Neal for the Saints, and Will Johnson rookie base. Last 2. Last 2. Did we really, we gotta add to the wall. We gotta add to the wall. Good luck, everybody. 2 boxes left. Let's get it for you.
Let's get some fire. Save a couple spots for those goodie cards you're about to pull out.
And don't go far, guys. We will run it back. We'll run the auction back. $1 starts. Empty box. Let's get it. We can do it. We can do it. Jonu, McKinstry, Chase McLaughlin, refractor, and Colston Loveland, refractor for the Bears. Rookie refractors, baby. Roma Dunze, Olu with Timmy. What's his first name? Olu on the Ray Wave, and Phil Mafa on the rookie.
They took his first name and they added with Timmy to it.
All right, Matt Gay, Robinson, T.J. Hawkinson. Yeah. Not a refractor. Haiku?
We got some Noni.
Where are you at? Where are you at? This is a Rams refractor and you are paid. Matthew Stafford on the Rams red, white, and blue refractor. You are paid.
That's what we're talking about.
You doubled up. You paid $20 for that spot and you doubled up. One every 5 boxes. That was our 5th box. It's true.
The numbers
It's true.
don't lie.
It's every 5 boxes.
The numbers.
I mean,
don't
we've
lie,
seen
man.
2 in a 6-box break. We saw 4 in an 8-box break.
Yeah.
2 refractors and 2 base. I mean, they're out there. They're all over the place. Tim Patrick on the refractor. Matthew Golden hits again on the throwback. And Shamir Turner on the rookie.
Let's go, baby. Green Bay's eating right now. Green Bay is eating.
Trey, Isaiah Pachenko, Hunter Henry for the Patriots, and Tuli Tupololo. Tupoloa. Oh, I thought we had another one. Jordan Davis, Micah Parsons on the Ray Wave for the Pack, and Nick Amenwori on the base rook.
For the cheese heads, baby.
Williams, McBride, O'Marion Hampton for the Chargers on the Fortune 15, and Phil Mafa on the football leather for the boys. This is our last box, guys. Noni, we ship it all. We'll ship every card sorted for you for your team, unless you tell us you don't want the base. If you don't want the base, you can shout it out. We'll hold it back. Quentin Johnson, Denzel Ward on the Ray Wave, and Nick Amenwori again, base rook. But yeah, by default, you get it all. MPJ, Malik Neighbors, D'Angelo Hall on the Legends, and Travis Hunter for the Jags on the red, white, and blue. There we go, baby. There we go.
The Wizard.
Yeah, finally we see one of these. Red, white, and blue is decent. So Darius Slayton on the refractor, Justin Fields for the Jets on the throwback, and Devin Neal on the base rook. 4 packs to go. Let's get it. Let's see, one more numbered card, one more auto. I want to see a case hit. Man. Brendan Strange, Xavier McKinney for the Bears on the ship. Oh, no, Broncos. Marvin Mims on the shimmer. I think I had Bears on my mind. Yes, I had Bears on my mind. Alvin Kamara, Justin Fields. Look at like head position.
That's like almost,
How close that is, dude. They did that on purpose.
Uh-huh.
They did that on purpose. Kitchens on the Ray Wave, and Kyle Monungai on the base rook.
They did that on purpose.
They did. Kyle Hamilton, Tavia, Bucky Irving for the Bucks on the Future Star, and Devontae Adams on the football leather refractor. Last pack. Good luck. Good luck, guys. Mark Andrews, Michael Wilson, Josh Sweat on the refractor, and Cam Scattlebow on the refractor, the rookie refractor, to end that rip.
Let's go, baby.
Was that the second Cam? Or there was an Abdul Carter.
There was a Cam earlier, but
Yeah,
it's
and a Cam
base.
refractor? Oh,
Maybe.
base?
Not bad.
All right. All right, and a Josh Sweat refractor. Let's do a quick hit parade for you. We'll do the hit parade and a lot of rookies. A lot of rookies. Are these also, are they hit parade?
Which one can get Abdul? Nothing really. Everything else is.
All right, guys, here we go. Abdul Carter. Abdul Carter on the for the Giants. That's on the refractor. All right, Cortland Sutton, red, white, and blue. Brian Robinson Jr. on the red, white, and blue. Quinn Ewers for the Finns on the shimmer, and there he is again on the Ray Wave. You got Travis Hunter, red, white, and blue. Ashton Genty on the refractor power play. Dylan Sampson, red, white, and blue. Tyler Warren on the rookie refractor. Matt Stafford on the MVP buyback, red, white, and blue refractor. Tommy Tremble, first on print of 199. Tommy Tremble. Jackson Dart on the Ray Wave refractor, Ray Wave. Cam Scattlebow on the refractor. And the bell of the ball, 3 on print to 299. Matthew Golden on the auto. Matthew Golden on the numbered auto. Very nice, guys. Very nice. You want to run it back? Give me a couple thumbs up down in the chat if you guys want to run it back. Give me some dubs down there. And we'll send it into replay time. Or what do you want to do? You want to do something a little different? Like you want like 2 megas? You want to do 2 megas and 4 blasters? That's a little bit bigger. Esau says yes. You guys want a couple megas and blasters, or you just want to run the blasters again? If I throw megas in, it will get a little bit more expensive. Like, teams will be $5 or $6 more. Run what I think will hit. Well, dude, if that's the case, I got hangers. Why don't we do this? We got 2 megas. Two blasters. And we'll put 2 hangers in. Because the hangers, dude, I don't know what it is with these hangers.
Hangers have bangers, baby.
Yeah. Can you guys deal with that? Yeah. Hey, Nemo, how are you, brother? How you doing, my guy? All right, let me get this loaded. I'm gonna put up the break that I put up is gonna kind of look like this, but it's not gonna be it exactly. But it's close. It's definitely like same value. Let me get rid of this one. Remove. Let me add. All right, and then Nemo, I'll get to you. Just give me just a second, brother. I want to do. It's gonna say. It just says. Okay, that's good enough. All right. Guys, let me run you another giveaway. Nobody go anywhere. We're going to, and Tyler, I got you on the last givey. Are you still here, brother? Tyler, are you here? Otherwise, we'll just ship you the pack. All right. You're live on that givey, guys. Top left corner, we'll get you into the givey. Let me get your music going, and Becky will be back here in just a second. Let me just write this up. Here you go, Beck. Here we go. Here we go. Nobody go anywhere, guys.
Let's go, baby. Let's go, y'all.
I think we're in order.
Yeah. Yep. "13 flips and flops." Welcome in, brother. Guys, get in on that giveaway. Top left-hand corner, tap that pink shopping bag. Get on that giveaway. We are running this back, baby.
Just give us a minute to get set up, guys.
Stacy. What's up, Stacy? Guys, keep on double tapping that screen. Like us up, share us out, repost us. Let's go, baby. Off the road, welcome in. Noni, welcome in. Let's go, guys. Double tap that screen. Like us up, share us out. Get on that giveaway. We are running back this auction, guys. 2 hangers, 2 blasters, 2 megas, guys. Let's go, baby. Starting off with the Jets. Jazzy, welcome in. Let's go.
Can everybody read that?
Christy, welcome in.